What up? It's Bike Check for a fit Wi-Fi frame. 20-inch top tube. 13.5-inch back. Let's see. I got some Kink Badger bars in blue, the V3s, with cardinal grips and cardinal bar ends. And then I got a Verde stem. It's pretty freaking light. It's nice. Odyssey headset. Sunday Funday forks, painted blue. Stolen Thermalite pegs are alright. Haven't really broke them in yet. White Odyssey Path. It's got an Eastern front rim. Let's see. I got Shadow Conspiracy one-piece seat combo. Profile cranks with Shadow Conspiracy. Blue plastic pedals. Fit back rim and tire. I got a blue Odyssey Path tire and Demolition hub, spray painted to perfection, and Alienation rim, Stolen Thermalite back peg. And then on the other side, I got a 28 tooth Eastern Shogun sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy half link chain with mechanic bottom bracket, and it's got a 9 tooth driver. And then